So top tip on protecting your Mulberry Bayswater handbag. This is a veg tan leather, so it's completely natural, it's open pore, so you need to make sure this is protected, and to keep that colour vibrant and keep the leather soft and supple and to revive it, you need the Antique Restorer. This has got natural beeswax in here, so it's going to help preserve the leather. It's going to give it a beautiful protection and waterproof it and really help keep that in perfect condition. So very, very simple and easy to use. Take the top off and get your natural sort of, this is an imitation sea sponge. So, I mean, they're absolutely fantastic. They're designed for this sort of thing. Get some into the sponge itself and simply wipe over the surface. It's completely clear, so it doesn't matter what colour the item is. Just massage it in, and that is going to give you a really nice sort of protective coating on there that's going to keep the leather in beautiful condition and give it that waterproof protection as well because of the natural beeswax. It's as simple as that. That's exactly how you got to do it. Just you can see there what it's done. It's just made that look absolutely beautiful and vibrant again. It's very, very easy to use. It is the Antique Restorer Cream, and that is the neutral version of the Antique Restorer Cream. So head on over to the website. LRC50 can be purchased. Any technical help you need, come through to our technical department on email, help@leatherrepaircompany.com, and we'll be happy to help you. Bearing in mind, this is natural. These are all natural products. They're environmentally friendly. Perfect combination for your Mulberry Bayswater. Head on over to the website, leatherrepaircompany.com.